let's cover a little news. Hasn't been reported much here in the West, but China has been suffering terrible floods because they get the monsoon rains. And some of their towns have received up to 27 inches of rain. And so that's causing flooding in China. That's causing a lot of problems in China. And that also means that China is going to have to start taking care of things at home. Now then, there's another thing what the Chinese and Russians are trying to do. They're trying to bring about what is called the BRICS: Brazil, India, China, and Russia, okay, and South Africa. They want to create a new international currency for trade. However, the Chinese are now in no position to bring that forward. And here's why. The Chinese have a lot of bankruptcies beginning to take place because of their fast development of the high-rise dwellings that they're trying to force everyone into, and a lot of them are empty. Now, they have billions and billions and billions of dollars that they have in loans, which they get from where? The Western countries. So China will not be able to do what it wants to do, nor will Russia be able to do what it wants to do in the time period that they think they need to do it. All right? Now then, here's another one on health. Chlorine dioxide kills superbugs. Now, chlorine dioxide is available, and it will kill a lot of different things when people become infected. So I just bring that up to you for you to check out.